नमस्कार. 2022 हा बोर्डाचा पेपर आहे. त्या बोर्डाच्या पेपरमध्ये नॉन व्हर्बल टू व्हर्बल हा जो क्वेश्चन आहे, ते क्वेश्चन असा आलेला आहे की इथे विचारलंय द फॉलोइंग डायग्राम शोज important factors to be considered while choosing a career. Write a paragraph based on it. Give a suitable title. ओके, तर याच्यामध्ये आपण एखाद्या करिअरची निवड करताना कोणत्या कोणत्या गोष्टी लक्षात घेतल्या पाहिजे याचं आपल्याला इथे डायग्राम दिलेली आहे. तर याच्यावर आपल्याला व्यवस्थित पॅराग्राफ लिहायचं आणि टायटल द्यायचंय. सो उत्तर तुम्हाला असं द्यायचंय, करिअर टायटल पहिलं द्यायचं इम्पॉर्टंट फॅक्टर्स फॉर करिअर बिल्डिंग. Career is very important to everyone. Everyone wants to make his or her career in some field, but career should be chosen very carefully. There are many important factors which should be taken into consideration for choosing a career. First of all, a person should choose his or her career that interests him or her. If a person is given his interesting works, he will give justice to that, succeed in a career. Personality traits are also important. A strong or healthy person should choose some challenging career or adventurous career. A person should identify the demand of market or an important factor in career building. A person should earn enough amount of money or profit in his or her career. If someone's family profession runs well, that person may lead that profession ahead. A person should be visionary. He or she looks at the future prospectus. Skill is also very important. If a person is skilled, he or she should definitely make his career bright. So अशा प्रकारे आपल्याला थोडक्यात पण व्यवस्थित नॉन व्हर्बल टू व्हर्बल लिहायचं आहे.